Hi everyone, we're excited to introduce two new features of Profit Zone Manager that work hand in hand to import your data even faster. The first is enterprise budgets. So now at the enterprise level, we can assign various budgets on a per crop and per year basis. So to access them on your enterprise, click the options menu next to your enterprise name and click Create Enterprise Budget. We can now begin setting up enterprise budgets for each crop and year that we have data for. If you do not have an enterprise budget for a crop and you already set, we will then set it automatically by default for each new year and crop you're defining. So in this case, I'm just going to work with some 2015 data that I have. So I'm just going to call this my 2015 corn budget, pick the year, leave my crop as corn, and then you can see I have my own budgets. And then we also have the state budgets for the crop and year that you've specified. We pull the state that you define when you create your enterprise, but as you begin populating fields, if you have fields in multiple states, we'll also populate those states budgets as well here. So I'm going to pick a continuous corn rotation, and I'm just going to let that populate my budget. I'm going to hit save, and then I'm going to add a soybean budget in as well. Crop, and then there's my soybean budget. Save. And we don't need to go here normally, but I just wanted to show everyone. So if you ever wanted to change what budgets are defined, here we have my 2015 budgets I just created set as default, which we're now going to use in our second new feature about creating scenarios automatically. So I'm going to go to my machine data page. So now back at the top, I'm going to export each product to my field. And if you noticed in my enterprise, I didn't have any field boundaries created. And we're going to use my machine data information to create my field boundaries. So first I'm going to grab all my corn crops, and I see I have two listed here, where it was defined on the monitor. So I hit that export button, and then I hit AgSolver Farms. And then field names, we don't need to populate here because we're going to use create all field boundaries. And then our new feature here, which is create scenario. So now we're going to use those enterprise budgets to automatically create the scenarios within our enterprise. So I'm going to hit export, and we're going to do the same for soybeans. And instead of beans, soybeans, I'm just going to call it soybeans. And same options are going to be selected here, and I'm going to hit export. And now you can see over in our notifications tab, fields and scenarios are already being created in our enterprise. So if we go over to our enterprise, we can go and see what's going on. We begin to see all the fields and scenarios that we just exported from our machine data page populated. And if you load one of our fields, we can see that the scenario is being created, the profit map's been loaded with that default crop budget, and we can now begin precision business planning. If you have additional years of data, you can just repeat the same process without having to create field boundaries. And then you can also begin associating your as-applied data as well. We hope you enjoy the new feature, everyone. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@agsolver.com.